Hello, I am Adele Burns. I'm the Deputy Chief at the Division of Apprenticeship Standards, and we are thrilled today to be announcing that we are opening up the second round of the Apprenticeship Innovation Funding. This funding is critical funding to help sustain and scale apprenticeships across a lot of different sectors, including healthcare, education, advanced manufacturing, arts, media and entertainment, tech, and more. Really all of the sectors that are associated with the Interagency Advisory Committee on Apprenticeships. And these registered apprenticeship programs with DAS that are supporting registered apprentices are eligible to be reimbursed for the cost of running these programs and supporting apprentices. So we are hopeful for how this formula funding is becoming critical core funding to help sustain and scale these programs. And we hope that programs in California will be taking advantage of this funding. And we encourage everyone to come learn more. In this second round of AIF, we will be processing submissions on a rolling basis. It's a very simple process to apply. So the sooner you submit your information, the sooner we can send out payments. So we hope you'll come and learn more. And thank you so much for all the great work that you're doing through your apprenticeship programs already. And we're hopeful for how this funding will help you to reach more folks across the state of California. Thank you so much.